I can't do that. I just don't know. Welcome back to the channel. It's Ethan, and that was basically my zombie impression, which is like the inspiration for this whole video. A few weeks back, Post Malone actually released his new song Goodbyes featuring Young Thug, and the music video has like this premise of like he's a zombie and he's coming back to life. That's what I was going for right there. Not as cool as Post, but I mean, it's fine. So for today's treat, I want to take inspiration from that graveyard scene, probably the most like memorable scene, unless you watch the rated R version. But no, yeah, the most memorable scene from the music video. We're actually going to be making a brownie like skillet, like, you know, you like put it in the oven and bake it, and yes, and we're going to top it with some fun details. Okay, let's try this again. And the ingredients for this recipe are a third cup of chocolate chips, 6.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 5 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 large egg, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. This brownie in a skillet is like the perfect treat for like one, if you just want a sweet treat, like if you just came out of the grave and need something to whip up quick, this is your treat. I've got a small bowl over here, and to that we're going to add in our flour and our salt. I started with 1/8, alright. Mix your flour and salt up until completely incorporated. I went ahead and set our dry ingredients off to the side, and now in a larger bowl, we can start to work with our wet ingredients. We're going to begin by adding in our sugar. We want to feel that sugar wraith. Follow your sugar by adding in your oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You could also use maybe sunflower oil. I'm just on a roll here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this egg though, but that's 2 Post Malone songs integrated into 2 sentences. And he's excellent. Done. Look at that. I'm a rapper. Dun 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 dun. Mix it up. Go crazy. Go psycho. When you've got your wet ingredients mixed, we now want to add in our cocoa powder. Mix that up as well. At this point, we can begin to start adding in our dry ingredients. Simply add in all of your flour and using your spatula, mix it up. Who's Kurt? Does him and Kurt feel the same? I don't know any Kurts. Kurt. Do I know any Kurts? To finish off these brownies, we want to add in our chocolate chips. This is just gonna add more chocolate to the recipe. Like, what? We've got our brownie batter prepared, and now we can pour it into a cast iron skillet. You could also use a cake pan or anything, but like this, it's a brownie in a skillet. We want to use a skillet. This is a 6-inch skillet, and we're going to pour all of our brownie batter into that and smooth it out. Living like a rock star. We now want to pop this brownie into the oven at 350 degrees, anywhere from 17 to 20 minutes. I like my brownies in a skillet a little more on the gooey side, so I tend to stay towards that 17 minutes. However, if you like them crisper, you can go 20, 22 minutes. Anywhere around there is perfect. I took our brownies out of the oven. I gave them a little bit of time to cool. We still want them warm because like that's the whole point of the brownie in a skillet. You could add ice cream or whipped cream, whatever you'd like to this. However, I thought I would fit the theme a little more, so I made some details here. The first being like a gravestone, a tombstone, a headstone. What are these called? Headstone? The thing that gravestone, headstone. I just made it out of a sugar cookie, frosted it with some gray royal icing, and then piped the word Malone on it, just like the one from the music video. And I'm gonna stick this into our brownie. I also went ahead and made some other details here. I've just got like some plants that I made out of some green fondant, covered everything in some cocoa powder to kind of give it that like dirty look. And I also made some bones. So I'm just gonna add this around our brownie and just kind of decorate it up. And here we have it, our Post Malone inspired Goodbyes brownie skillet that we made today. Taking inspiration from the music video in that graveyard scene, we added a few details like a tombstone and some bones. Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. If you happen to make this, please share with me on Instagram or Twitter. And congratulations, you just made yourself an awesome dessert. Until next time, save a life and make it sweet. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do it by clicking this cute little donate right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video, and down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys in the next video.